how to add Roblox extension on mobile. So if you want to add Roblox extension on your mobile, then Kiwi browser is the best way to use Chrome extensions on your mobile. So go ahead and open up your Play Store or your App Store on your device. Go with the search which will be in the bottom, and then you need to search for Kiwi browser. Once you've searched for the Kiwi browser, you need to go with install, which will be right here. Install the application. Or if it's not available right here, you can go back and then open up your Google or your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then you can search for Kiwi browser, and you will find the application right here. You just need simply go with a trusted website and then download the APK version if the application is not available on your Play Store or your App Store. So just wait for a few seconds till the file downloads. So tap on the file, and it will ask you, do you want to install the application? You need to tap on install, and it will start the installation process of Kiwi browser. Once it has been successfully installed, you will see a home page. Like, I'll just simply open the Kiwi browser, go and agree, and then allow, and here you will have your home page. Right now, type the name of the extension that you want to use. After searching for the extension that you want to use, like for example, you can go ahead and search for the Roblox, RoPro, or BT Roblox, and you'll be able to find the better Roblox and other extensions in the Chrome Web Store according to your choice. So scroll down and then find the Chrome Web Store page for the better Roblox extension. Tap on it and then go with add to Chrome, and that's it. You can now use the extension within the Kiwi browser. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.